Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Kane's Auto in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have this 2017 Lincoln Continental Premier. Powered by the 3.7 liter V6, mated to the automatic transmission, of course, and the all-wheel drive system. This is Lincoln's answer, or I should say their solution, entry, whatever it is, entry into the full-size luxury sedan market. Obviously, with the departure of the town car, the Continental fills in that gap. Very, very nice interior. This one here has 24,000 miles on it. Very, very nice example. First time ever driving a Lincoln. Visibility in here is great. It also feels very, very open. That is something that is huge with me, is being able to see and drive the vehicle without tons of blind spots. This one you can see perfectly fine. Nice and open and airy feeling in here. You feel like you have a ton of room, which you really do. Plenty of power. Plenty of power. And then once you're cruising on the highway, it's comfortable. This is a great little cruiser. I love this thing. I don't know what platform this is based on. Maybe it might be the same platform as the Fusion, just elongated. I'm not 100% sure, but wind noise is not bad at all. This is a nice little vehicle. Well, it's full size, but braking is actually really impressive. Good amount of pedal feel without being too touchy. That I definitely like. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.